Hey y'all. So I have reached the end of my ropes when it comes to living in a 1,000 square foot cottage. I know somehow we lived in an RV for a year and we had just the back end of it to keep all of our belongings in, but somehow now that we live in a 1,000 square foot house, we have accumulated a lot of stuff that we are not ready to get rid of. It's useful stuff, it's not junk. We have gone through everything and I have donated or trashed things that weren't useful. But we're out of space. We have nowhere else to put things. You know, we've got a garage that I don't think is included in the 1,000 square feet. It's not. So, but it's a one-car garage. It's small. It has Tommy's tools in it. It has Tommy's motorcycle in it, his Harley, and we're just out of space. So I have been racking my brain trying to figure out what we can do while we finish up this house and look for land and start all over again and build a bigger house. Probably not too much bigger as far as the house goes, but bigger, like Tommy wants this big garage and everything else. But for now, we're living here and we're finishing up this house, and we've got, you know, building supplies and all kinds of stuff everywhere. And I've had enough because I cannot stand to live a disorganized life. So I've come up with a solution, and the solution is going to arrive any minute now. All right, now that they've delivered it and set it up, it is time for me to start getting everything out of the garage and bringing it into the new storage building. All right, let's go in and see what we got. I haven't even been in here yet. So, for those of you wondering, this is going to cost me $139 a month, which is about what I'd pay for a storage room. So, Tommy has walked in here. I have not. I don't know what that is, but we don't plan on spraying it with water or anything. But we do plan on using it as a chicken coop later on when we move to our new property. And I bought this light, this solar light, because we don't want to run electricity out here. So I bought this solar light, which should be fine for a storage room. And get Tommy to hang that up. Here's the solar panel that goes outside. And this is the switch that hangs in, inside, so we'll be able to pull this little thing here to turn it on and off. So that's cool. I'll put a link in case you guys are interested in one of these. It's not sponsored, and I'll let y'all know if it works well or if it goes out in 30 days. Set that over to the side for Tommy. Now I'm going to start bringing my shelves over here from the garage and see if we can't get more organized. And this is what I have to work with. We have a winter storm coming, so I've got oranges in the garage, and that one's my lemon back there, but it doesn't have any fruit. So I need to start taking this stuff off of these shelves because most of this is going into the new shed. It's kind of dark in here, but I'm not opening the garage door because it's nasty outside. Anyway, let me get to emptying that first shelf and move that over there. I got the first shelf out. It's filthy and has lots of spider webs, so I'll have to hose this down and let it dry before I can put it in the new shed. Sorry, spiders. Y'all gotta find a new home. And just so we're real clear, it's like 32 degrees out here, so it's cold. Well, I got one shelf in here. This is what it's looking like outside. No snow or ice yet, but it's definitely cold. And we're in the 30s, so this will be freezing. It'll be nasty out here. Guess I'll go get a towel and dry this off and get some stuff on these shelves. So it's the next day, and I came outside. Still in the 20s out here. I wanted to see how the pond was doing, see how the fish were doing. Let's come over here. See, cats or raccoons have been on the bench. I see fish down in the under the ice. Not too bad. We're supposed to get up to 37 today, so I think most of them are in that. That's where they usually go, but they'll be fine. An air bubble right there. The cold doesn't really bother them. We don't get cold enough here to turn into a frozen block of ice. Not sure what would happen if I lived up north somewhere, but here in Texas they'll be fine. Show you what I got done in the shed. Tommy got the solar panel for the light put up. He was using, oh, I forgot to show you this. He put some bricks here for me as a temporary step. I've got that shelf over there. I've got the Christmas shelf over here. Tommy was using the little Mr. Heater, Buddy Heater, when he was out here. There's the solar light. He needs to do something with the wire still. This is the pull switch that comes with it to turn it on. So it's a lot easier than running power out here. And Tommy will get the wire all hung so it's not just laying all over the place. Anyway, I gotta get to work. So I'll go let my chickens out. See the effect of the ice on the elephant ears. They'll come back. This is what happens when we get ice. The chickens, as you can see, are fine. I blocked this because the bottom of the door rotted off, and we had a possum get in the coop. Hello, ladies. Good morning. Come on. You coming? I'll move. We still have a big mess over there. Tommy's supposed to work on that again today. These garbage cans, for the most part, keep the raccoons out, but we bungee it just in case. I forgot to bring that poinsettia in, so it got toasted by the ice. I've gotten most of my stuff in here. Various soap making supplies, canning supplies, gardening stuff over here. Some shot glasses that were in the garage. I have a whole shot glass collection. My Christmas stuff over here. Got all my stuff out here. So it is out of Tommy's way. So I think I said earlier that when we do find the property that will be our retirement property, that this will be going with us. They said it would be about $500 to move it. And I mean, for $139 a month, you can't beat that. And it'll eventually be probably our next chicken coop. So I think, you know, comparatively, if I rented a storage room, it's not going to be much cheaper. So this way we get to keep the building. We don't have to, you know, just take our lock off and walk away like you would with renting a storage room. So I am very happy with my new building, and hopefully Tommy stays out of it and doesn't mess it all up. And hopefully the bugs stay out of it. I've gone around and tried to seal everything. I'm very happy with the solar light that he put in. It's getting just plenty of sun. This, as you can see behind me, the sun's going down, but the sun, you know, shines on the solar panel just like we need it to. I'm gonna turn off the light. But anyway, we were very happy with our purchase. We're very happy with this solution that we came up with. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.